Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You need admin access. Once signed in, open the right tool immediately, Group Policy Editor for Pro/Enterprise or Registry Editor for Home. Make a quick backup first because you will change system keys. This prevents accidental loss. Also close other apps to avoid conflicts. Now locate the policy or registry path I'll describe next so you can change the controlling key. By preparing these steps, now you avoid interruptions and ensure a safer change process. Once you're in the correct editor, find the specific policy that blocks settings, often under Control Panel or Explorer policies, and change it to disabled or not configured. If using Registry Editor, go to the policy's key noted earlier, locate the exact value name, and delete or set it to 0. Make sure to export any key before editing. If multiple keys apply, change each consistently. After editing, save and prepare to apply changes so the system recognizes them. Once edits are complete, run gpupdate/force or simply restart Windows to apply the changes. That ensures group policy or the registry is reloaded. Then open the settings page to verify the message is gone. If the restriction persists, check File and Key Permissions, look for overlapping policies from domain controllers, or restore your backup and retry. If you restored, document the exact keys changed so you can escalate or repeat the safe method without guessing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.